In the fast-paced world of finance, professionals seek to elevate their careers, striving for success, excellence, and recognition. Enter the Chartered Financial Analyst program, a beacon of knowledge, integrity, and professionalism.
What exactly is the CFA program? Well, it's a rigorous journey that empowers individuals with the skills and expertise needed to navigate the complexities of investment management. The CFA Institute, with its global presence, sets the standard for professionalism, ethical behavior, and excellence in the finance industry.
With over 170,000 CFA charter holders worldwide, CFA designation is recognized and respected across the world. It also opens the opportunity towards the world of finance. The CFA level consists of 3 levels, each level delving deeper into investment tool, analysis, and portfolio management.
From mastering the fundamentals and applying advanced techniques, the CFA journey challenges and enriches candidates, preparing them to excel in the dynamic world of finance. An MBA in finance and the CFA charter enhance career opportunities by providing advanced financial knowledge, analytical skills, and industry credibility.
The CFA charter improves BBA and BTech graduates' careers by improving financial expertise, analytical skills, and attracting top finance roles. Beyond the exams, the CFA community provides excellent networking opportunities where professionals share their knowledge, expertise, and best practices.
Preparation is a key success in the CFA program, providing with various study materials, online resources, review courses available. Students are equipped with resources they need to excel. We will also include the use of Bloomberg Terminal in our training program, wherein our students will be utilizing the knowledge gained from the CFA textbooks and use it to apply for the analysis of real-time data in the market, and which will help them in gaining deeper understanding on the concepts of finance. Are you ready to unlock your potential? Join the ranks of CFA chartered holders and embark on a journey to transform your careers.